Hi everyone, this is Josh Kim, your professor for Soc 1. This is my overview of the course. We only have 5 minutes, so we'll go quick. You guys will be making lots of these voiceover presentations this semester to teach sociology to each other. So this is good practice for everyone, and I hope you enjoy it as we go on through. Okay, so we're in Soc 1, Intro to Soc. Here's when we meet, here's the room. Um, Here are instructors. So you have me and Susan Simon. We both work at Curricular Computing. Susan is an expert in video production and storytelling, so we're very lucky to have her. We look at this course as an experiment. We'll be trying all sorts of new things for educational technology, things we'd like to bring to the larger curriculum. So some things will work, some things will not. What we believe in is when people construct their own knowledge. So here's a picture of some kids making some things, just like you did in shop class. We'll be making sociology, and the goal is to try to avoid this kind of regular lectures. The course is divided into modules. There's 9 modules, so all in the courses now. You can go into Blackboard and look. Each course has learning objectives that we'll be doing for that module. Each module corresponds to a week, and then activities that support the modules. We have 3 books. We have this very short textbook. We have Unequal Childhoods and The Missing Class. We'll be reading through all these books, and they will form the basis for our curriculum. We'll also be doing lots and lots of video. We'll be watching 6 or 7 videos on sociological themes throughout the term, and you'll be using these videos to make your own video mashups, which we'll talk about in a minute. So the course has 6 components here, and we'll go through all 6 components. The first is class leadership, and this is a subjective grade by us, your faculty. And there's many parts to this, including participation, how much you contribute to helping others, how much you participate in the blog, how much feedback you give in terms of making the course a success. So we're going to be looking for leadership. The team teaching presentation. So each team, you'll be working in teams of 2 or 3. Will be completing 6 of these presentations using Jing. The presentations will be based on the major sociological concepts. You'll have to make a presentation for each of the books that we'll be reading, as well as 4 of the other concepts that you want. So total 16 presentations, which we'll be posting up. These presentations will be posted up to the wiki, and you'll see that there's a wiki. And when you go in, we have all the modules are represented, with the idea is that at the end we'll have a whole bunch of teaching materials. I hope you guys use Jing Pro so you can upload them to YouTube so we can all share. 25% of your grade is a term-long mashup project you'll be doing with your team. You'll hear a lot about this, but the main thing is you'll be teaching one of the main sociological concepts of your choice using the curricular video that we have. So there's lots on this. We have a bunch of rubrics and matrices to bring you through to do the project. Here's just an example of the timing. And we'll be posting up your sociological mashups, or you will be, to our own YouTube channel. There's also weekly quizzes and exams, and these weekly quizzes are meant to be formative assessments. You'll be doing them with your teams. They're open book, and they're to help you get the language and the main theories and the main people in sociology to give you a good foundation. So those will be each week, and you have practice ones and graded ones. We also have a midterm and a final, same materials, same questions, and we'll be talking about how we want to actually do that, what would be the best for learning. Here I have a picture of the course blog. If you have any questions at all about what this course is about, please blog them. In fact, in the blog we'll be using quite a bit. I ask you each week to find videos on the web or materials or presentations that relate to the sociological concepts that we're discussing. We'll want you to blog those. Also, any kind of issues that you have, please put them in the blog. I hope that the class becomes kind of an open exchange where we all start to work together, and a lot of our discussions will go into the blog. Susan and I are very much looking forward to working with you this term.